Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to this Best DLR set series. Today we'll be discussing a very special LRDI set. And before I move on to the set, I just have a couple of announcements to make. So first one, I hope you all have taken the All India Open Prepzone mock CAT. If you haven't taken it, guys, this is the last chance to take it. This is a very, very great eye-opener experience for you. I'll also be having a live analysis for it. So do take the All India mock if you haven't. Take it at any slot before Saturday, but must take it. Okay, so that's the first announcement. Others is we have a revision booster batch starting soon. If you need to have a revision booster, do register for the batch, and this directly moves us to the next set for the day. So यहाँ पे ये set given है, and we have 3 questions. It looks an easy set, but let's see. People were stuck here, especially in question number 3. I think all the students who have commented, they have done it wrong. So let's see it. And also people have taken around 15 minutes for the simple set. So in a 40-minute exam, if you take for 15 minutes, then I think you're done. So see, 6 log hai, they're playing a game. Each game involved 2 players. Okay, each of the participants played with other participant exactly once, which means I'll have a total of 62 equals to 15 games played. In the games, both the players played an unbiased die each. Okay, जिसके पास ज़्यादा आया वो जीतेगा. And whosoever wins, he gets the coins equivalent to the number on the surface of the die, which means if you and me are playing, you got 2, I got 4, I'll win, and then I'll get 4 coins with me. And हमेशा number distinct ही आएगा, कभी draw नहीं होगा. It will be either a win or a lost. The total number of games won by each person is distinct, right? So if you have practiced enough, you will be able to figure out कि wins different है, which means wins has to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0, because I have 6 people. One person can win a maximum of 5 matches क्योंकि remaining 5 के साथ एक match होगा. So 6 के अगर distinct number चाहिए, it has to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then we have a couple of information given. Questions में पूछा है कि Q कितना जीता है, T कितना जीता है, R कितना जीता है, which means we'll have to figure out a table. We'll have to make a table and identify कि हर कोई बंदा कितने matches जीत रहा है. So without any further ado, I think I'll directly jump onto the table. वो hint मुझे मिल गई यहाँ से. So the table says P, Q, R, S, T and U. This is the total number of wins. This is the total number of matches lost. I'll just draw a line and that's it. Okay, so let's see क्या क्या information मुझे given है. First thing, Q won his game against P. ठीक है, Q has won his game. So Q wins his game against P, right? Which means इसका win has to be greater than equals to 1 and P must have lost at least 1 match against Q. Okay. R won the maximum number of coins. ठीक है, he's winning the coins. Number of games के बारे में I have no correlation. Number of coins is not equivalent to the number of games. And you lost only 2 games. Okay, one against S and one against R. Okay, it's an important information. U ka score will be 3 win and 2 lost, right? And U is losing against S and R, right? So S or R ke against the U हार रहा है, which means you must have won the matches against P, Q and T, right? Which means P, Q and T must have lost at least 1 matches each, right? P, Q and T must have lost at least 1 matches, and R and S must have won at least 1 matches each, right? This is what the question says, which means if this is greater than equals to 4, okay, that's it for now. And any other information do I have? No, I don't have any other information. Great. Okay, so now what do I do? If he's losing 1 match, which means यहाँ पे we will have some number. This can be maximum of 4, right? This can be a maximum of 4 number. Okay. So think, how do I fill this table? This table is what I have to fill finally. Okay. And yeah, I have not used the last information which says T did not lose more than 3 games. Okay. So T must have lost either 1 match. 2 तो हो नहीं सकता because 2 is already gone. यहाँ 2 आएगा तो यहाँ 3 होगा, which is not possible. Or maximum can be 3, right? These are the only 2 possibilities I have. Which means यहाँ पे it is greater than 1, greater than equals to 1, greater than equals to 1. यहाँ 3 है, यहाँ पे 1 है तो यहाँ 4 आएगा, यहाँ 3 है तो I will have 2 here, which means यहाँ 0 नहीं आ सकता, which means I have only 1 possibility for 0, which is this. If this is 0, this has to be 5, right? Great. अब देखते हैं कि बाकी क्या होगा. So see, one more hint that I can get now is, see, U has won the matches against P, Q and T. U ने 3 ही matches जीते हैं against Q, P and T. Now, can I say कि Q and T have lost their matches against U? right? Of course, I can say this, that Q and T have lost the matches against U. But U ने तो 3 ही matches जीते, right? Which means I will also have someone, either R or S, who must have won all the 5 matches, right? So the person who has won all the 5 matches must have also won against Q and T, because Q and T एक match तो U के against हार ही रहे हैं, right? U के against they are at least losing 1 match, and they should also lose 1 match against the person who has won all the 5 matches, right? With 0 matches lost, which means the number of matches that Q has lost must be not 1, but it has to be greater than equals to 2. Same goes for T, it has to be greater than equals to 2. So 1 is not an option, so the only option left is 3, which means I must have a 2 here, right? Because the sum has to be 5. So 0, 5 is done, 2, 3 is done, 3, 2 is done. The only numbers remaining is 1. Okay, this is also greater than equals to 2. So 2 is done, 3 is done, 5 is done. The only option left is 4. I must have a 4 here and I must have a 1 here. Okay, I fill the table to the best of my abilities. Then remaining options are 0, 1, 2, 3. Either 4 or 5 is left, which means या तो यहाँ 4, 1 होगा, ठीक है? And this has to be 5, 0. Or I must have a 5, 0 here and a 4, 1 here, right? I don't exactly know. Now let's directly jump on to the questions. The question says how many games did Q win? Q has won 1 match, right? So यहाँ 1 हो गया. Which of the following is true? T, R and S. T ने 5 games जीते, नहीं T ने 2 जीते. R and S का कोई information given है, but I can concretely say, right, R can win even 4 matches or 5 matches. I don't exactly know. So answer has to be none of these, because question is saying me कि necessarily कौन से statement true है. Now please pay the focus. Now comes the most important question कि R won 11 coins. Okay. ठीक है, R is winning 11 coins, ठीक है, and he lost 1 game. Okay, it is given to me कि R has lost 1 game, which means this is 4-1. ठीक है, this is 4-1, which means नीचे वाला has to be 5-0. Okay, and R 11 coins जीता है, and if the total number of coins won by different players in the tournament is 47. Okay, total जो coins सारे ये पांचों लोग मिला के जो टोटल कॉइन्स जीत रहे हैं दैट इज 47, राइट? जिसमें से आर का इतना है, विच मींस जो बचा हुआ है पी प्लस क्यू प्लस एस प्लस टी प्लस यू, दिस हैज टू बी व्हाट? 47 माइनस 11 विच इज 36, राइट? व्हाई एम आई डूइंग दिस? बिकॉज मुझे निकालना है टी का है, मुझे आर का नहीं निकालना, मुझे टी के निकालने, दैट हाउ मेनी कॉइन्स विल टी विन. ओके, सो आई नो कि इन पांचों का सम हैज टू बी 36. व्हाट अदर इंफॉर्मेशन डू आई हैव? पी ने कितने मैचेस जीते हैं? पी हैज वन 0 मैचेस, Q has won 1 match, S has won 5 matches, T has won 2 matches, and U has won 3 matches. So भी 36 को मैं 5 में डिवाइड कर सकता हूँ, but just a note, because P has won 0 matches, अगर ये कोई मैच ही नहीं जीता है तो कभी इसके पास कॉइन ही नहीं होगा, राइट? बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में गिवन है that only the person who wins he will collect coins. So P के पास कभी कॉइन ही नहीं होगा, which means now I have to distribute 36 into 4 ways. ठीक है? So let me try with an equality ki let's say all of them wins 999 coins, right? Let us say this कि मैं ये करता हूँ, और मुझे एक इंफॉर्मेशन और जो गिवन थी वो ये थी कि R has won the maximum number of coins, right? तो मुझे ये तो पता है कि R के पास maximum है 11, which means each of these numbers have to be less than equals to 10. 10 से बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, right? Another important thing, हम कह रहे हैं S के 5 मैचेस में मिला के 9 है, which is possible. 2 में मिला के 9 पॉसिबल है, 3 में मिला के 9 पॉसिबल है, बट क्यू के में देखो, क्यू में हम कह रहे हैं कि एक ही मैच उसने खेला है एंड इन अ सिंगल मैच ही इज विनिंग 9 कॉइंस. इज इट पॉसिबल? इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ कॉइंस विन इज इक्वल टू जो मेरे पास नंबर आता है डाइस पे, मेरे पास मैक्सिमम नंबर आ सकता है 6, राइट? इफ आई हैव अ मैक्सिमम ऑफ 6, आई हैव डन -3 हियर, तो मुझे -3 को यहाँ पे अकोमोडेट करना पड़ेगा. द ओनली वे आई हैव इज आई विल डू अ +1 एंड +1 हियर, बिकॉज मैक्सिमम 10 ही हो सकता है. सो इट हैज टू बी 10, 10 and 10. Still now the sum is 36, and this is the only possibility, because मैं इसको 6 से कम करूंगा तो ये नंबर 10 से क्रॉस हो जाएगा, which is not possible, और ये नंबर 6 से ज्यादा हो नहीं सकता है. So this is the only possibility. Now question ने पूछा है कि T के पास कितने कॉइन्स है? It has to be 10. A very good question, and people have taken more than 15 minutes. I think ideal time for this question is around 8 minutes, not more than that. Why? Because एक question पढ़ने में ज्यादा टाइम लगता नहीं. It's all about formulating this table, and question number 3 is a brilliant question in this set. So hope you're liking it. If you are, like kar dena video, and do let me know in the comment section so that accordingly I can keep on making such videos. Thank you, and yeah, all the best.